Yo, what's going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is we are going to be getting into discussing, keep in mind, Snkrs just had a massive restock today with some of those popular 2025 shoes we had, the Gamma Air Jordan 11, Tokyo Air Jordan 5, along with the Zion Williamson Jordan 1 Low, and I think there was some other pairs in there as well, but aside from me not being able to speak or speaking too fast, we'll just slow it down. We'll get into this video today, and we're going to be discussing again what restock today, what it's going for right about now, if these little drops we had today affected the prices at all, and yeah, just let me know in the comments if you got lucky on any of them. Did you go for the Snkrs restock that happened today? Hope y'all will enjoy, and let's get into it. If you guys do want more sneaker content like this, then go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget the normal goal that we always shoot for here on the channel is 300 likes. If we can do that, that'd be great. If not, absolutely no worries. Just again, feel free to comment down below. Let me know what you think about these shoes. If you got lucky on any of them, you can check out my Whatnot lives down below. Don't forget we've been grinding there lately. So if you ever want to, just come show some support, cop a thing off us. We sell shoes, sneakers, streetwear, a little bit of everything, accessories even. So if that's something you're into, feel free to check it out. Don't miss out. But yeah, I think that's everything I need to mention in this intro right here. I'm a little bit tired, so sorry if my energy just seems off at all. I need to get some sleep. So yeah, we'll do that a little bit later. Hope you guys will enjoy. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see, we got the screen recording up, and here are the three pairs that, again, we had restocked this morning on Snkrs. So as you guys can see, the Tokyo Air Jordan 5, Gamma Air Jordan 11, and the Zion Williamson Jordan 1 Low. I got very, very lucky today and was able to hit a pair of Gammas in my size. So I'm pretty stoked about that. I did notice that, the sizes have gotten much cheaper. But again, as I was telling y'all, that was expected after Christmas time. A lot of these shoes will probably come back down in price a little bit just because not as many people are going to be buying after Christmas. Like those holiday releases, they always go for more right around their drop time, because they're usually like a week or two before Christmas. So, people, they'll just rise in price until, like a day or two after Christmas. Then they start dropping because the hype drops off. Not as many people are buying gifts anymore. You know what I mean? So hopefully that makes sense. But got lucky with those. Was pretty happy to hit them. Maybe I'll wear them. I just gotta honestly see what they look like in hand. If it's kind of like my style. I've seen a couple in hand. Like I think I would rock them, but you know what I mean. If they're doing around now like 300, then maybe I'll make a flip. We'll see. I'm not really sure yet. But we have these three restocked this morning. Let's run through them. So as you guys can see, the first one I want to go over is the Gamma Air Jordan 11 because you guys can see the market is pretty strong on this pair still right now. About a range about $270 to $300. You have the big sizes going for a bit more. And again, you can see the sizes that really weren't affected by this restock were sizes 11 plus. Those are always going to be the sizes that'll tend to go for a bit more. Just those bigger men's sizes that they make less pairs of tends to be the case. Like 11, 11.5, 12. Those are always golden sizes. So a 9, 9.5, 10. Those are going to be the ones that just will go for a bit less. But all of these over time will do well. I just want to mention that. It's not like there's a million pairs of Gamma Air Jordan 11s out there. There is a decent amount. I will say that. But these will still have a pretty strong market for a while, in my opinion. That's just one thing I want to mention. So you have some time. You really don't got to worry about that. I think that this will always be a pair that resells. So, I mean, if you're wondering if your pair is still going to flip when you get it in hand in like a week, if you did happen to hit this morning, yes, you don't have to worry about it bricking or dropping in price a ton. Not going to happen. I mean, look, even after the holiday season, we're at the start of January right now. Like, not many people are buying a ton of stuff at the moment. And you guys can see, look, 1,140 sales in the last 3 days. So that just goes to show you that people really want these, and it is a popular sneaker that is always going to have volume around it. So even right now, when it's a bit more of a downtime, you can see these are still having a good amount of volume. People going out the way buying them. People are thinking about the Gamma Air Jordan 11. So definitely one I would not sleep on. So that's probably the best pair that, I mean, in terms of people that know about it, one that flips for the most, I would say this is the best out of the ones that dropped this morning. However, the Tokyo Air Jordan 5 is more expensive. If you go look at some sizes, they are more expensive for this pair. Take a look. You guys can see the big sizes for this one, chilling at a range of about $350 to $400. So if you get 11 plus in these, then technically they are, more pricey right now. But I do see the Gammas probably returning to about the price range we see here for the Tokyo 5s. I don't think these will move too much because the OG ones are already so expensive. So I think these could go up like 100 or 200 bucks, but it would take like a really long time. So it's just not worth the hold in my opinion, unless you have a bigger size and unless you're willing to wait a pretty decent amount of time. Like this is going to be one that just spikes up out of nowhere, like is all of a sudden, a really expensive pair. Like there was a decent amount of them out there. I did see some dubs this morning from the restock. Like it wasn't like this one was super low stock, there was people taking dubs this morning, basically is what I'm saying. So there are some pairs that are on the way. So I'm not looking at a lot of these pairs that restock today as holds, especially the Zion lows. Like I've seen people drop in bulk of those cheaper than what they retail for. So it's like, why am I going to go buy one for, it's just like, hey, all good. But at the end of the day, if you want a personal, that's the best place to go. You know what I'm saying? You can't ever go wrong going to get them straight at Nike. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's something dope. But With the Tokyo Air Jordan 5, you guys can see the market is at about like 250, 350. Smaller sizes going for less. No surprise. So I would just, again, let the smaller sizes stay a bit cheaper because they're not going to be the ones that'll really go up. 11 plus, those could head towards 400, but it'll probably take a few years. Just not really worth the hold. There are better ones out there, Travis Fragment Low, etc. Be focusing on those bets. Like you'll see what I'm talking about the Zion Lows. So you guys can see, look how cheap some of the sizes are for the Zion Lows. Like size 9, $100. That's actually disrespectful. Like that these are going for this cheap in some sizes. So these as a sleeper hold, yes, just want to let you know, I believe in these as a sleeper hold. This is definitely a sneaker that'll return back to like $150, $200 at least in those sizes you see super cheap right now. But the fact that Nike dropped them for like $165 plus tax this morning, bruh, at least give us a discount. I mean, I get it. You know, the big sizes are still flipping. So, you know, look at 12 and 13. You know, it's crazy. Literally a $80, $90 difference between size 9 to size 12. Like, that's insane. But just goes to show you, people are literally willing to pay 2 times more almost for a bigger size. So that just goes to show you that that's what is in demand for this shoe. And again, there's people with bulk of these out there for really good pricing. So I'm definitely looking to take advantage of that because I think these are, again, being slept on. I'm just going to keep it honest. I don't think that these should be this cheap. I think that, again, they should probably be going for a bit more than this. But they're still on sneakers, I think, right now. I could be wrong on that. But if there's a big size or 2 there, hey, maybe not a bad buy. Maybe some of those small sizes too. But you can see the small sizes are going for so much cheaper on StockX. Just wait, honestly. Best thing I could say is just wait. So that's what we'll leave it at, guys. I'm going to, again, end the screen recording right there. Those are 3 sneakers that we just had restocked this morning. Let me know if you got lucky on any of them this morning on the Snkrs app. I've got super lucky and hit my pair of Gamma Air Jordan 11s in my size. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. I mean, I'll figure it out once I get them in hand, but yeah, happy about that. If anybody needs a brand new size 9, hit me up on my Instagram. I'll be willing to sell it. I'd probably be at like 300 flat on it, but I'll cover shit. Yeah, so let me know. But that's really it. I don't really feel like we need to say too much more. Pretty brief video today. Just let me know if you cop down below, if you knew about this restock. If y'all want videos letting you all know about the restocks, I could definitely make something like this in the future. Just let me know. And we're getting back on the consistent upload grind. As y'all can see, we've been posting videos last few days, getting back on it. So appreciate y'all tuning back in with us. We're going to keep it going. And shout out everyone who's been tuning in on whatnot too. That's been where most of our time's been focused lately. As y'all can see, it's been a straight grind there. So I appreciate y'all tuning in with us, showing love as always. We got so much on the way for y'all. And I don't think there's anything I'm forgetting. So just stay tuned. We're doing some really cool stuff tonight though on the page. We're doing a Travis Scott Fragment Low Buyers giveaway, and we're also doing like some $1 sneaker stuff. So it's just gonna be a fun day. I'm excited for it, looking forward to it. And yeah, that's it. We'll leave it there. So I'm T. Thank you guys. I will catch you guys in the next video tomorrow. And if you have any questions, just let me know down below in the comments, and I will see you all there. All right, catch y'all tomorrow or in the comments below. And that's it, or whatnot. Hey, or my Insta if you need the gammas. All right, we'll leave it there. You can check the website down below too if you need any hoodies, tees, things like that. All for sale. And that's it. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.